It's now time for the final segment of this class, the final video of this class, the conclusion. And first, I want to talk about reviews. So, I would really encourage you to spend some time after this class and provide me with some feedback about this class. And when the platform asks you to rate this class, then please give it a suitable rating based on your feedback as well. Your feedback will help me understand what are your thoughts on this class. So, what did you like about this class? What did you not like about this class? And what could be improved? And each of these, all of this feedback, I can process it and I can make each and every class better as we go. So, your feedback is really essential, really key to improving all of the class contents. Next is the class project. So attached with this class would be an Excel file, or at least a link to an Excel file, um, and the last tab would be a project tab in the Excel file which contains a table design that you guys need to try and code. So based on this class, we have covered all these table concepts, and using those concepts, what I want you to do is try and create that table in code, in HTML code, and you can use JS Fiddle to do that. So your focus would only remain on the actual table contents, the actual table tags, and of course a bit of CSS along the way. And what I want you to do is, after you've finished that, just send me a link to that JS Fiddle and I can take a look. So you can either submit, most probably you would submit it as a projects submission in the tabs below, and I can have a look. And of course, lastly, I would want to thank you for completing this class, for taking this class and seeing it through the end. And I hope you have learned something new, and I hope you've enjoyed this class. And do let me know what your feedback was, and all the very best for your future and for all the classes and for all the learning that you take ahead. So all the best, and thank you so much.